Look at him. That is so funny. Oh, sorry, Grandpa. What are those, Taylor? Those piggies that go oink oink? Oh, that's what you had to change out?
Yeah.
I'll move over here.
She doesn't know what to think of those.
Mm-mm. That is so funny.
You're
fine.
Now, what do you have the bulbs in for? Is to give them a little heat?
I'm sure. What are those, Taylor? What do you think? Icky. Icky. Are they kind of dirty?
It's a pig. Pig. You say pig? Oink oink.
No, it's a tail. Oh, I don't know which one.
Some of them really are. Look, they're standing right in there.